Salmonani balaleli igama lami nguFisani Moyo. Ngingumculo weAfro pop artist based lana eJoburg eGoli. Ngine album yami entsha engilethele yona this coming year 2019. I-album izobizwa ngokuthi Native Romance. Ikhuluma ngendaba zothando njengabantu abamnyama, indlela esiphilisana ngayo nendlela esithandana ngayo. Le ngoma i-album izobe ne-8 tracks ezitshisayo and ngizoyikhipha ngoFebruary inyanga yothando. So ngibhekele ukuthi izabe inama artists afeature from eNigeria, abuya eZimbabwe, amanye alapha eMzansi eSouth Africa. Ngithemba ukuthi lizongisupporta, lijabulele. Ngine video entsha engizobe ngishuta ne featuring that artist yase Nigeria. So ngithemba ukuthi nani ndizobe lilindele amehlo. Ngiyabonga. Anyway, njengoba bengisasho isithando zami ukuthi I've got a brand new album as of 2019. This is one of the songs that ikhona lapho ku-album. This one iyachisa sithandwa zami. Don't let anyone akutshela ukuthi uthandani noba. Ngiyakutshela mina because ngiyazi-understand indaba zothando. Anyway, ma kunabanye abafuna amakiki, I'm your man. Ma ufuna indaba zemthimba, ezemshado, ufuna ama-party, I'm your man. Because basically love is what keeps us going emhlabeni. So sithandwa zami, look out for my brand new DVD album izobe iphuma nayo ngoNovember ingoma zami zonke eziku-album yami, and I'll make sure ukuthi ngiyithola kuma platforms wonke from YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. Ngingangilandela at Thuts Rebel or Thuts TUTS noma kusiphi isikhathi. Anyway, indaba zothando uyazi ukuthi sithola. Bandiza Mr. Ochi.